Have you been wanting to buy a house but waiting for the rates to go down? What if you could keep the seller's low mortgage rates, payments, and all? That's the power of an assumable loan. An assumable loan lets the buyer step into the seller's existing mortgage, same rate, same remaining balance, same time left on the loan, all subject to the lender's approval of the assumption. Which loans are assumable, and how do you as a buyer know if the seller has an assumable loan? FHA loans and VA loans are usually assumable. Some USDA loans are assumable. Most conventional loans are not. Here's how the process works. We confirm the loan is actually assumable and contact the server. The buyer applies and must financially qualify. Your credit and income is called the debt-to-income ratio. And just like any other loan, you're qualifying for the loan. Here's the caveat. The buyer covers the seller's equity. For example, if the home is $450,000 and the loan balance is $300,000, the equity gap is about $150,000. That can come from cash or a second loan. Why is this a great option, especially now? Because if the seller's rate is lower than today's market rate, the buyer can lock in a lower monthly payment and potentially save tens of thousands in interest over time. For sellers, you can advertise the assumable loan and it can expand your buyer pool and increase showing activity. Here are a few quick pros and cons. Pros: lower interest rate and payment than starting a new loan at today's rates, often lowering total closing costs. Marketing edge for sellers. Cons: that equity gap can be more cash to close or a second lien. Timelines depend on the servicer, so it can take longer. And you inherit the original terms. Things like mortgage insurance on FHA may continue until requirements are met. Who benefits most? Buyers who can handle the equity gap and want payment stability, and sellers with a coveted low rate FHA, VA, or USDA loan who want to attract more buyers. Curious what's currently available in DFW? We have a local assumable finder. DM us the word assume or call or text, and we'll run your address or budget and send some options. Quick note. This is not financial advice. Loan rules and fees may vary by lender and servicer, so also verify eligibility.